Hello everyone. Today we will discuss on the topic joint family versus nuclear family. The structure of families varies across culture and society, but two predominant forms are the joint family and the nuclear family. Each has its own characteristic advantage, disadvantage, challenges and individual experiences of its member. Firstly, we know about what is joint family and what is nuclear family. Joint family is a family that consists of grandfather, grandmother, parents and children. There can be cousin, uncle, and all these relatives stay under one roof. Nuclear family is a family that include two married parents and their children, everyone living under one roof. There can be any number of children in a nuclear family. Firstly, we're talking about the joint family. Joint family is also known as extended family, typically consists of multiple generations together under one roof. This structure may include grandparents, children, uncles, aunts and cousins. The joint family is common in many cultures. What are the characteristics in the joint family? They are collective living. Members are resources, responsibilities and space, often making decisions collectively. Second is the support system. In joint family provide a support network. Emotional, social and financial support can be readily available as members often share burdens and joy. Then another characteristic is it is a cultural transmission. Tradition, values and customize passed down through the generation, fostering a strong sense of identity and the continuity. Next is the role of elders. In joint family, older family members typically play a visible role in the decision making, guiding younger generation and imparting wisdom. What are the advantages of the joint family? Emotional security. The presence of multiple family members offers emotional support, reducing feelings of loneliness and isolation. In joint family, we can share the responsibilities, can distribute it among members, chasing individual burdens. Another advantage is the cultural representation. In joint family, one maintain and celebrate cultural practice and traditions, strengthening community bond. Also, economic advantage. Sharing resources can lead to greater financial support, ability as multiple income may support the household. What are the challenges in the joint family? Lack of privacy. With many family members living together, personal space can be limited, leading to potential conflict. In generational conflict, difference in the values and the lifestyle between generation can create the misunderstanding. Dependency issues. Members become early reliant on each other, hindering individual growth and independence. Decision making conflict. Decision making can lead to disagreement, particularly where there are different opinion on important matters. These are the challenges in the joint family. Now we're talking about the nuclear family. Nuclear family consists of the two parents and their children living independently without extended family members. This model is prevalent in the Western culture. What are the characteristics in the nuclear family? Are independently living. Nuclear families typically maintain their own household, promoting an autonomy and self-sufficiency. Focus on the immediate relationship. The emphasis is often on the parent-child relationship, fostering close bond within the immediate family. It is also individualism. Nuclear families tend to emphasize personal achievement and individual goals, sharing, mapping members' identities based on the personal rather and the collective attributes. What are the advantages in the nuclear family? Privacy and autonomy. Nuclear family members enjoy greater privacy and ability to make independent decisions without external influences. Adaptability. In nuclear family can adapt quickly to changing circumstances or the relocation as they are not tied to extend family network. And also favor conflict. With fewer there may be fewer conflict and resource, lifestyle and decisions. What are the challenges in the nuclear family? First is the isolation. Nuclear families may feel isolated, lacking the extensive support network found in the joint families. Also increase the pressure, the burden of the financial, emotional support often falls solely on the parents, which can lead to stress. Limited cultural transmission in nuclear family favor generation under one roof. Transmission of culture value and the tradition may be less. Another challenge is it dependence on external support. Nuclear family may rely on the external supports, those such as friends, neighbors, or community services for support, which may not be reliable. Both joint family and nuclear family have their unique characteristic challenges, advantages. Choice between them often depend on the cultural and personal preference and social changes. While joint families provide a strong support system and rich cultural heritage, and nuclear family offers dependence and adaptability. So that's all about the joint family versus nuclear family. Thank you.